Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Unbelievable. Are you guys ready for this review? Oh my gosh, what a day. Welcome to Wednesday for sure. Wow. Well, team, I made the executive decision. I don't think there's anything else to really review today in the stock review other than Tesla. No, I'm just kidding. I'll look at other stocks. But Tesla, I mean, it was a bullish gap and go yesterday. We took out the high of this bearish candle. Looks like we're going to close up here. I mean, for all intents and purposes, I can't find any reason to not be long on Tesla. And I think you guys know I am long. Very long. Very long. So, yeah, I think in essence, good trend, good gap, good breakout, good volume, adding to the S&P 500. You know, if you're a Bollinger fan, you got your Bollinger Band squeeze breakouts. Everything. I can't really see any real reason to not be bullish on Tesla. So at this particular stage, be in calls, be in shares, be in something. But come late December, early January, it would make a lot of sense for us to be at 540 or 520. And by late December, early January, I could mean, maybe sometime next week. Because Tesla just likes to move extremely fast sometimes. But in general, it looks nice. It looks really nice. Long is strong. So if you ain't long, you wrong right now. So Tesla looking great. The broader market, SPY, we're just kind of hanging out. So at this particular point, again, if we take out this high of this hammer, I would expect this to continue higher. I just expect this to chop around, trade sideways on like the SPY, and just kind of hang out here for a little bit because I do have some stocks that are not going up. Activision, for example, just refusing to go higher. So Activision, chilling. I got some calls on ATVI, just waiting this one out. Let's see if it can interact with the 200 simple moving average. Teladoc, TDOC trying to bounce. I am pretty bullish on Teladoc long term. And I do like the new white soldier, one white soldier, possible double bottom happening down here on Teladoc. So I like that. DraftKings. A lot of traders making some good money on DraftKings. From here, buy that dip. If it pulls back, you got to close above this volume and this volume. We talked about that just 2 days ago. So buy the dip on DraftKings. We had a lot of traders sell some covered calls today on DKNG. So long looks good right now on DraftKings. Pinterest, buy the dip. Trend is great. And just to tap it all off, here are some trades that we hit a target on. Corsair Gaming's. We played the hammer back on November 10th. So we got triggered in and we hit a target today. That was nice. Workhorse, ticker symbol WKHS. We also hit a target on Workhorse. So that was nice. That was a 2-hour win. Beautiful Wednesday. Good stuff out there. Really, really excited about life. I did have a request today for one stock, which is CHGG, Chegg. And this was a day trade that we played on Chegg not too long ago. So Chegg, I do like this company long term. I like the fundamentals. I like a lot about it. The weekly chart looks quite deliriously delightful and, of course, bullish. Massive potential double top. But I'm not saying it can't make a double top, just simply saying that it could also turn into one of these, right? Big distribution phase. So in essence, as far as I see it, you probably want to buy low, sell high. Nice Morningstar reversal. I would love it off the 200. That'd be really, really cool. But with the Morningstar reversal, if we do break above 70.43, I'd have to be more long bias than short bias, just based on the candles, location, and everything else. I do have some positions on Mongo database. I like the high wave candle. That looks nice. And also, I did hit a target on Bitcoin. I did not sell all of my coins yesterday, but I did sell a lot at 17654.32. I like the high wave candle and just kind of planning on a dip buying opportunity. Ethereum, I also have a position in Ethereum and relatively bullish on this one. So if we can get a good weekly close and a breakout above 491, I think it's probably 4 or 5, maybe 6 months away till we get to 700. But trend is bullish on Ethereum by the dip, and also have some positions, small positions in Litecoin, LTC, USD, and I got a target at 80 on Litecoin. So anyway, good review. Again, as always, if you have a particular stock that you want me to review, just put it in the comment section below and I'll make sure to check that out. I'll be back on Monday for another stock review, and on Friday, I'll either release another video for free, of course, or do a trade review. You guys rock, and until next time, live life, and trade it. Bye. Bam. That was your Wednesday real life stock review. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching, and I really appreciate you helping us with our mission, which is to enrich lives.